How to transfer data from Android to iPhone. Here, in your Android, to transfer data to your iPhone, you will need an application that is Share It. If you haven't downloaded yet, you can easily find that in Google Play Store. Open up the Google Play Store, search for Share It, and install it in your device. Once you have installed the application, all you have to do is open up the Share It application. After you open it up, you will land in this home page. Now, to send any data from your Android device, tap on the send icon. Now, you can send application, videos, any files, or photos and music. So, according to your preferences, you have to choose a file. Now, once you have choose any image or music, after that, tap on send. Now, you have to scan the QR code, but to connect to your iPhone or your iOS device, if you navigate to top right corner, there's a small icon with an Apple logo. Tap on it. Now it says connect to iOS. So here tap on continue. Now you have to install the Share It in your iPhone as well. Once you install it, open it up. There you have to scan this QR code. Once you scan this QR code, you are now connected to iPhone, and then you can transfer any data from Android to iPhone. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.